As I promised, in this lecture I'll show you how you can set up Atom, which is an editor that is used not only for Python, for writing Python code, but also for many other programming languages. It's very powerful, and they say it's a hackable text editor for the 21st century. Atom is cross-platform, so you can use it for Windows, Linux and Mac. Now I am on Windows, so I'll click download Windows installer. And you'll have to wait a while here because you have around 85 megabytes to download. My executable was downloaded, so you can just double click it and simply wait until Atom is installed. So that was quick. Atom started automatically once it's installed, but I prefer to close this and show you how you can open it manually, as you'll always do. So you can go to a folder, let's say here. Now there are two ways to open Atom. You can either right click and go to open with Atom, or you can open the command line and say Atom and you type in a dot, which means you are opening Atom in this current folder, and the files that are inside this current folder will be added to the Explorer right here. So we have a file Explorer, and if you double click one of the scripts, you'll get the script open here on the side. You can split the screen into two if you want by going to View, Panes and Split Right. And here you can display the second script if you want, so script 1, and you can close this one. If you want to set some preferences, you can go to File and Settings. So here you have some options. I like to keep the default settings, but if you want you can change some things. You can change the font, you can even change the theme if you like. So this is currently the theme I have. You can choose to be light. I prefer dark, so we'll be keeping the dark theme in this course. Now you can install extensions or packages in Atom if you like, for extra features. A package that is very useful is the Terminal Plus package. So you can simply type terminal and search. So this is the package. This package was installed in my in the previous version of my Atom installation, so I don't have to install it again. But in your case, you will have an install button here, so you can just click that, and the package will be installed. Just close the settings. When you install that package, you will see a plus here, and clicking the plus icon, it will open for you a terminal. So this is the command line of your computer, and as you see, this command line was open in your current folder, so in the same folder as it shows in the file Explorer. Here now you can execute Python scripts, so Python script.py and execute, and you get the output. So just as you did in the command line, but you have everything inside one window here. I also keep another terminal open here, so I'll have two terminals, and here I usually keep a Python shell, so to test things out. So you can go here and you can go here, and if you want you can resize this. If you want to create a new file, you can just right click over here and new file, say the name of the file, let's say script3.py, enter, and you have the file added to Atom. You may also want to create new folders here, so to have a directory tree, let's say static. Great. And inside here you may want to create other files, let's say index.html. This will come very handy. So as you see, the index.html file was added under the static folder, and you can write the HTML here. So I hope you like this, and I'm sure this is much more productive than just typing code in notepads and executing them in the command line and so on. From now on we will work with Atom through the course. See you in the next lecture.